Hey guys, it's Cass here. So I know it's been a few weeks since I've uploaded. I'm so sorry about that I've just been MIA. But things with uni have been so crazy. So I feel like for at least about like 5 to 6 months now, I've been hinting to you guys that I will be launching silk lashes to CASS Beauty, which is super exciting. I wanted these to be ready and launched like so many months ago, but I've just been having so many problems with my manufacturer and just stuff like that. So yeah, these have taken a little bit longer than expected, but they are finally here. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you every single one of them. I'm going to be putting them all on my eyes today. These are made of 100% synthetic silk, so they are completely 100% cruelty free and vegan, which is so amazing. Everything that I'll be launching from now on CASS Beauty will be 100% cruelty free, 100% vegan. And that night I want to make the announcement that once my mink lashes are fully sold out, I will never sell them again. They're also having a 40% off sale on my mink lashes specifically. If you guys want to get your hands on my mink lashes, get them now before they fully sell out. Use code CLEAR40 for 40% off while stocks last. Just don't want to miss this deal, so definitely get your hands on the mink lashes if you guys want to. And yeah, so now for the silk lashes, these will cost the exact same price as my mink ones, so they are 15 Australian dollars. Based in Australia, but I ship worldwide. If you go onto my website, there's a little like currency thing there, so you can change that to your currency. It's like the mink ones, they can last up to 25 uses with proper care. For my first launch, I launched 6 pairs of eyelashes and they are like my babies. I love them so much. I knew that when I wanted to launch silk lashes that I wanted to launch the same 6 styles that I first launched in my mink but in silk. So for all you guys who have tried my mink lashes, you love the style but you want them in cruelty free, that is what I've done for you guys. I also have 6 brand new styles that I'm releasing today as you're watching this, if you're watching this on the day of upload. And actually there is one charity pair of lashes which I'm releasing where 50% of the proceeds will go to charity, and these will actually be released next week. Next Sunday on Mother's Day, Australian Mother's Day that is. So yeah, I'll try them on at the end, so wait until the end to hear about them. So if you're wondering what I'm wearing on my lips, it is CASS Beauty Watermelon Soda Liquid Lipstick. For highlight, I'm wearing my Summer Lovin' Highlighter palette, shade Honeycomb, which is this one right here. But for now, let's try on the lashes. So first, starting off with the Natalie lashes, these are the underdog of the bunch, I think. You'll never actually realize the impact they have on you until you put them on. They are slightly clustered for a soft doll eye effect, which I think is super flattering. They are so cute. They are wispy and voluminous, but still lightweight, so they can be worn day and night whenever you want. The lash band on all of my lashes are thick enough that it makes the lashes super easy to put on, but not too thick to the point where it's uncomfortable. They are super beautiful. These lashes are lashes I will wear when I want a little bit more of a statement on my eyes for an everyday basis. Maybe I don't want to put on too much eyeshadow, but I still want my eyes to make a statement. These are the lashes I'll go for. They are super beautiful. Now onto the Bella lashes. These are what every natural beauty needs. This is the lash you need for the ultimate girl next door look. They are so natural. People probably won't even realize you're actually wearing lashes. They'll be questioning if your real lashes are fake, which, I mean, if you wear these, they will be. But they are super natural and they are perfect for adding some subtle volume and length to your lashes. And these are amazing. These are perfect for people with hooded or small eyes. Take it from myself. I don't have a lot of lid space. I have hooded eyes. But they look, I mean, I think they look great on me, I guess. I think they suit hooded eyes really well. If you have small eyes, these are the lashes for you. The band on these ones are a little bit thinner than all the other ones, and that's the same with the Jasmine lashes that I'm showing you right now. The band on these are also a little bit thinner as well, making them perfect for people with hooded or small eyes as well. But the Jasmine lashes are perfect for those days when you need some volume to get you through the day. The crisscross hairs will give you all the volume you could ever wish for, and they start out short and sweet in the inner corner and gradually thicken at the end, giving you the most beautiful flirty cat eye effect. These are so natural. As you can see, you can barely even notice them on my eyes, but they are there. They add a little bit of drama to your eyes. Again, these are the perfect lashes for hooded eyes. They don't give you too much length, but they give you still just a beautiful subtle effect. Now for the opposite, the Nicola lashes. These are probably our longest pair of lashes, but they are still super natural. These are basically the Bella lashes, but a little bit longer. maybe a little bit thicker and more wispy. But the nickel lashes are everything you need to complete an everyday look or a soft night out look. With extra length for that dramatic oomph, they are sure to knock everyone off their feet. They are wispy and fluffy but do not take over your eyes. If you want your eye look to still be the star of the show and still peek through, then these lashes are perfect for giving you a little bit of drama, but you can still see your eyeshadow, your great blending work. These, again, as I said, are like the big sister to our Bella lashes. Our Sophie lashes are perfect for anyone looking to make a statement. The clustered look is so flattering and gives a beautiful doe-eyed effect. These are perfect for a gorgeous nighttime look, and they are super fluffy and are also double stacked, giving them a 3D, really dramatic look. These are for the girls and boys who like to make a statement when they walk into a room. These differ from the mink version of our Sophie, as the clusters are a little bit more dramatic, and instead of getting longer at the edges, they give off all the drama in the center of the eyes, which gives you a more dull-eyed effect. I love these lashes so much more than the original Sophie lashes, which is weird for me to say because I loved them as well, but I just feel like these are the new and improved Sophies, and I just love these a lot. The Chrissy lashes are for any boy or girl who loves to stand out in the crowd. They are ideal for any glamorous look. They have more thickness and volume in the center of the band, which makes your eyes look larger, giving you, again, a dull-eyed effect. They are everything you will need for a fabulous night out, and just like the Sophie lashes, they are super fluffy and also have a double-stacked 3D effect for extra drama. These are like our most voluminous, most dramatic lashes in the original 6 lashes that I first launched. But yeah, they give you so much drama and length and volume, and they just give you everything. And my boyfriend bought me a bubble tea, so sorry about that. But yeah, these are just so beautiful and so dramatic. I love them. Onto our new styles. This is the first new style that I am releasing. These are called the Clara lashes. These are for all the natural beauties out there. They are very similar to our Bella lashes, but are a little bit less wispy, but they have more volume. Even though they have a lot of volume, they are still super lightweight though, so they are perfect for an everyday look or just whenever you want to wear them. They are very slightly clustered, which perfectly flatters the eye, and these are perfect for anyone with hooded eyes or who don't have a lot of eye space. They also look beautiful on people with big eyes and long lashes, and as they will just add like a subtle amount of volume to your eyes, and I just think these are so beautiful. Our Bonnie lashes are not for the faint-hearted. These are our fluffiest, most voluminous wispy lashes in our entire collection. They have a 3D stacked lash effect, giving off way more drama than any of the other lashes, and even though they are super thick and fluffy, they still do not take over your eyes. Like, they are not heavy at all. They don't feel like you have like 5 pairs of lashes on your eyes. They are so big and so fun, and honestly, you won't be able to stop fluttering your eyelashes. It's so addictive, and yeah, these are just so flirty and fun. These are the ones I've been wearing a lot lately. They just super flirty, super fun. I love batting my eyelashes when wearing these. So our Adrian, Marley and Luca lashes have all been dedicated to the male makeup artists in the world. I feel like that the makeup industry has definitely not given male MUAs the recognition or love that they deserve, so this is CASS Beauty's small gesture to do just that. We'd like to promote that makeup is one size fits all no matter what gender, shape or color you are. So here's to all the makeup male artists out there. So these are the first ones. These are called the Adrian lashes, and these are for the dramatic glamouristas of the world. They are super intense and thick, but still feel lightweight on the eyes. The winged out effect makes them super fun and flirty and will give you a beautiful cat eye effect. They also have a 3D stacked lash effect, giving off even more drama. If you love making a statement with your eyes, then these are for you. Now onto our Marley lashes. These have a super thick crisscross cluster, which I love so much. This gives you so much drama, like the most extreme drama ever, and flatter any eye shape. These are pretty much like the Natalie's, but like the older, wispier brother. These are super fluffy, soft, wispy, and fun. They are eye-opening, and they're just so flattering. I absolutely love these so much. These are really dramatic, but also I could wear them on an everyday look. They're just perfect for whenever you want, whenever you desire to wear them. They will be there for you. I just love these so much. And lastly are the Luca lashes. These are for the days when you need a little bit more volume, but you still want to be, you know, a natural beauty. They have a subtle soft glam effect and are perfect for the glam girl or boy on the go. Luca will give you length, volume, and wispiness will help you take on the world. They have slight clusters and a subtle crisscross effect and are slightly winged out at the edges. They are the more voluminous version of our Bella or Clara lashes. But I just want to sit here and talk to you guys a little bit about the Paula lashes because they are very, very special to me. These are probably the most important lashes I have ever released, that I will ever release, and I wanted to tell you the little backstory behind the Paula lashes. So these are the Paula lashes. They are so, so beautiful. They're these beautiful winged out, very voluminous, very crazy, bold lashes, and I absolutely love them so, so much. Basically, Paula was my childhood best friend Natalie's mum, and she was basically my second mum. She was a very special woman in my life. As I said, Natalie is my childhood best friend. We've known each other since we were 5 years old, and I used to always spend like every weekend, like pretty much almost every day that we could together. In 2017, Paula passed away from cancer. Natalie's family and my family are very, very close. We've always been close ever since we were little. Paula was actually the person who gave me my love of beauty. She worked in the beauty industry. She always had really fun, crazy makeup. One of her favorite colors to wear was blue. She always wore blue eyeshadow, and yeah, she just inspired my love of makeup. And honestly, I don't know where my life would go without makeup. Obviously, makeup is my love, my passion. It makes me so, so happy, and I have my own makeup brand now because of my love of makeup. So I really do owe my life to her. I don't know what my future would be without her inspiring my love of makeup from such a young age. So it was only right that I released a pair of lashes dedicated to her, in honor of her. Since I first heard that she was diagnosed, I researched so many different cancer charities within Australia, so different types of charities, and I think I picked the perfect charity that perfectly embodies her. So basically the charity I've picked is called Look Good Feel Better. Basically, Look Good Feel Better is a free national kind of charity community where they just help cancer patients to battle the appearance related side effects of cancer. And I know appearance doesn't seem like, it seems pretty superficial, it seems like not that much, but honestly I feel like when I don't feel confident in myself, when I don't feel like I look good, I guess, I don't feel confident, I don't feel like the best version of myself. Obviously going through cancer is very upsetting for everyone. You lose a lot, but I feel like appearance is a big one. I feel like you just want to look like the best version of yourself, even going through chemo. So this charity helps to empower people. They do a lot of different workshops and they do a lot of different things to help the men and women, teenagers, adults, whoever, feel empowered and, you know, feel ready and confident whilst going through chemo. And I feel like that is such a big thing, and that's something that Paula helped a lot of people do. Anyone who met Paula instantly fell in love with her. I always saw her so confident, empowering, and beautiful. This charity is helping to empower people, which is a big thing that I want to do with my company and just everything that I do. I want to help empower people, make people feel the most beautiful and confident and the best versions of themselves as they can. Yeah, as I said, 50% of the proceeds of these lashes will be going towards Look Good Feel Better. I just could not be more proud to be donating to this charity in honor of Paula. These will be released next weekend on the 13th of May on Mother's Day. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the silk lashes I'm coming up with, all the original styles and the new styles, and I hope you guys will check them out and I hope you love them, and definitely again check out the Paula lashes because it would mean so, so much to me. And my family and her family are very close. We always have been since I was very young. It means a lot that I can do this for them, and Natalie is my best friend in the whole entire world. I would do anything for her, so I'm super happy that I can do this. That is the end of the video. I'm super happy to finally be able to show you guys the silk lashes. CASS Beauty is now cruelty-free and vegan once all the mink lashes are gone, and that we have lashes supporting male makeup artists and showing them our love and praising them in the makeup world, showing them that we care about them, we support them, and that we know they're a part of the makeup world. And also charity lashes in honor of Paula, a very important woman in my life, and that we are donating 50% of the proceeds of the Paula lashes to Look Good Feel Better. So that was a lot in one video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and if you are going to check out my lashes, it would mean so, so much to me. The link is just www.cassbeauty.com, and my Instagram is @CassBeautyStore. We post all the time, so if you want to be the first to find out anything about my brand, go there. Thank you guys so, so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, and yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.